Hello, my dear little buddies. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I'm your Diptiman. Today we are going to learn about aquatic animals. Do you know what are aquatic animals? Let me tell you. Aquatic animals are animals that live in the water.
See, 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 let's dive and swim with sea animals. See, 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 see.
I will show you some pictures of aquatic animals. So first one is fish. Fish. Crab. Crab. Dolphin. Dolphin. Octopus. Octopus. Next one is starfish. Starfish. And last one is turtle. Turtle. First one is fish. It is very slippery. It has two eyes, fins, gills, and a tail.
Red fish swimming through the lake.
So next one is crab. Crab. Crabs has no backbone. Their teeth are in their stomach. The next one is dolphin. Dolphin. Dolphins are very intelligent. It is mostly found in grey and white colors.
La la, playful dolphin, la 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 la. La la, friendly dolphin, la 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 la.
So next one is octopus. Octopus. It has 8 arms. It has blue colored blood.
An octopus, octopus, move like an octopus. La la loo la 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 la, la la loo la 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 la, la la loo la 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 la.
The next one is starfish. Starfish. Starfish are also called sea stars. Starfish are also called sea stars. It moves slowly. It moves slowly.
Shooby dooby dooby doo, starfish. Shooby dooby dooby doo, starfish.
So next one is turtle. Turtle. Turtle is a reptile. It moves very slowly. It lives on both land and water.
I love flapping, fast, fast, fast. I love pedaling, quick, quick, quick. Here comes a sea turtle. Jumping, diving, splish, splish, splash. Jump like a dolphin, splish, splish, splash.
Now it is classwork time. Let's solve the question.
Pick the aquatic animals. Is this aquatic animals? Yes, crab is a aquatic animals. And fish. Fish is aquatic animal? Yes, you are right, children. Which animal is this? This is an elephant. Elephant is a wild animal. This is not a aquatic animal. This is a dolphin. Dolphin is a aquatic animal. Pick the aquatic animals. Okay. And which animal is this? This is a tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Okay. Turtle. Turtle is a aquatic animal. Turtle is a aquatic animal. Stick the turtle. And which animal is this? This is a cat. Cat is a domestic animal. Which animal is this? Monkey. Monkey is a? Yes, you're right, children. Wild animals.
Fish in the ocean go, gulp, gulp, gulp. Crab on the rock goes pinch, pinch, pinch. Sharks in the ocean go chomp, chomp, chomp. Dolphins in the ocean go leap, leap, leap.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankidz.com. Our academic team will review and return the check sheet to the same email ID.
I hope you all are enjoying this video. See you next class. Bye bye, children.
Like a star that twinkles, starfish. Hi, hi. Curly, 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 red shrimp. Hi, hi. Snip, snip, pincer claws.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share, and subscribe Udayan Kids.